how do we duplicate courses in Moodle or in DepEd LMS? What we all schools have is one course for every class section. However, our school calendar is divided into 4 quarters. And if I am going to open one LMS course of a particular class section that I handle, if I put all modules, written works, and performance tasks from first to fourth quarter in this single LMS course, it will already be so cluttered. The option that I have is to delete each material that I have uploaded here. But I may not like to do that because I might want to save all those materials for future use. So what else can I do? Well, the solution is to actually duplicate the course that you have already created. So I am going to show you how I did that. I am going to click on Site Home, and let's go ahead and click on our schools division of Baguio City, but I will go to View More. Our school is on page 3. By the way, this thing that I am demonstrating to you guys can only be done by the LMS focal person of your school because they are the ones who've been given the access to do these things. The access has been given to them by our schools division office, LRMDS coordinators, I think. So I am going to open the link for our school now. So right now you can see that I have 4 courses for each class section. For example, Hope has a course for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. The quarter 1 and quarter 2 courses for excellence is in another page. But basically, all the class sections have been created with separate courses for each quarter. So how did I duplicate the courses? Actually, I duplicated the courses right after the advisors have already enrolled the students in their respective class sections. Why? Because duplicating the course would mean duplicating all the materials and all the people already enrolled in that course. So in order not to duplicate the tasks of the advisors as well, because if I will duplicate a course that has no participants, no enrollees, that would mean every quarter the advisors will have to enroll their students again. And that is why I only duplicated the course right after the advisors are done enrolling all the students that belong to their respective class sections. And also, I duplicated the course before we even started uploading materials in there so that the materials will not be duplicated in every duplicated copy as well. But if you are already done with the first quarter and you have not duplicated any course, that is okay. You can still go on duplicating it and delete the materials afterwards. So how did I do the duplication process? Let's go to the Manage Courses tab. Here we can see all the courses that have been created in our school. Before, we only have 8 courses, one each for every section, but I renamed it into the grade level, section name, and the quarter number. So what I did is click on this copy course option. And when we click that, you can already add a new course name. So we could just copy the grade and the section and then put Q2. And then for the course short name, you could just basically copy that and paste it there. And for the course start, it's okay. You just let it be there. And you can just leave the course end date blank. For the include user data, let us put a check mark on that so that we are able to copy all the data of the users or of all the teachers and students that have been enrolled in this course that we are duplicating. And also the role enrollments, if we have added managers, teachers, and students, let's go ahead and click on those options. And then copy and return or copy and view, that's okay. So after you have clicked copy and return, what you might want to do is delete all the materials that have been copied in your course as well, especially if what you have duplicated are the courses during the first quarter. All our first quarter courses already contain materials, written works, and performance tasks. So Now, if you have duplicated that course for use for the second quarter, just delete all the materials there. And after deleting all the materials, then go ahead and duplicate that fresh, new, clean course. And same process, rename it, put Q3 in there, and you are good to go. This is actually very useful. We can do this again next school year, although we hope that COVID-19 will already go away by next year. But perhaps Moodle and DepEd LMS will still be useful to all of us even when we go back to normal, so that we could still continue using the blended learning. So there, I hope this tutorial is useful. If you could click that subscribe button, that would be great. Thank you so much.